Hey everyone, this is Mr. Nunn again. Today we're going to go over how to graph on a coordinate plane. So what we're going to go over first are called the axis lines. So this horizontal line that you see, remember a horizontal line runs side to side like this? So that is going to be our x-axis. So I'm going to write x-axis so we don't forget. Next, the line that runs up and down vertically, like this line, that is going to be our y-axis. And those two lines intersect, or they cross each other over at a very special point called the origin. So this point that I'm drawing this line to right in the middle, that is going to be our origin. Now, there are 4 quadrants in this graph, and it's not intuitive because you normally think of it as being like a book, but our first quadrant is going to be this upper right-hand corner. And then our second quadrant is going to be this quadrant, all the area in that space. Next, our third quadrant is going to be here. And finally, our fourth and last quadrant is going to be here. Now, we need to go over what an ordered pair is. An ordered pair, sometimes known as coordinates, they are going to look something like this. They'll have 2 numbers, like 3, 2. Now that 3 is your x-coordinate, and that 2 is your y-coordinate. And what that tells you is where to move to plot that point. So that 3 tells us that we're going to the right 3 units. So I'm going to count over 3 units from the origin. 1, 2, 3. So now I'm 3 units over, and now I see my y-coordinate is 2. So that means I have to move 2 units up. So I'm going to count 2 units up from there. 1, 2. And that is going to be my point right there. So that is going to be how we graph today. Those are some key words and phrases that you're going to need to be familiar with in order to be able to graph. As always, if you have any questions, make sure you email me. I'm happy to help. This is Mr. Nunn, signing out.